We're going to be shooting at this propel bottle with this brand new Air Mag CO2 pistol. Pretty cool how you put the CO2 cartridges in. Just slide that open, unscrew it down there, and pops out, and then just slide it back down. And then the mag, it's thin and lightweight. Just put the BBs in the bottom and they roll up. Okay. There we go. Alright. It's 400 FPS. And let's see how the propel bottle takes it. We're going to be shooting from point blank. Oh, there we go. That's what happens. And that was a 400 FPS gun with 0.20 grams. That's all.